Here's how to set up iPhone mirroring in macOS Sequoia. Apple's macOS Sequoia entails a plethora of striking features to try on your Mac, involving a new method to manage Windows, a supercharged Notes app, and other updates powered by Apple Intelligence. While there's plenty of unpack in the latest macOS upgrade, only one of the top 3 macOS Sequoia updates is notable. The Cupertino-based tech giant Apple introduced Apple mirroring in macOS Sequoia to simplify access to your iPhone's home screen right on your Mac system. You can tap and swipe, though on your Mac, it's more like clicking and dragging through a virtual facsimile of your iPhone while the actual thinks it's nearby, letting you access your favorite iPhone apps and games. Gad Insider has got you a quick guide through which you can set up iPhone mirroring on your Mac. Launch the iPhone mirroring app on your Mac. Enter the Mac password or use Touch ID to authenticate. Wait for your Mac and iPhone to connect. Access your iPhone right on your Mac desktop. Now, if you have macOS Sequoia downloaded on your Mac and iOS 18 installed on your iPhone, do set up iPhone mirroring. Following it, you must remember that the full versions of both were released in the fall of 2024. So if you need to test iPhone mirroring before, you must install the beta versions of macOS Sequoia and iOS 18.